Hola amigos, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estáis? Espero que muy bien. Yo muy bien también. Muchísimas gracias. So, are you guys wondering what the hell am I speaking? I'm sure you are. So, I'm sure that by now you must have guessed the topic for today's video, which is Spanish for beginners. How to speak or read Spanish and make sense out of it. So, instead of learning Spanish in 4 hours or 10 days, we are going to point out a few logical steps which can actually help us read, identify, and understand in which way can we learn the language in the most easy way without making our lives difficult. Okay, so now coming to the basics, there are a few tricks that if you can remember these, your life will be much easier if you're trying to communicate or you're trying to find any other word in a English to Spanish dictionary. So let's see. For example, letter A. So the letter A in Spanish is pronounced as A. So for example, the name in English is pronounced Anna, but in Spanish we would say Ana. So the letter A is pronounced as A. Continuing with letter E. The letter E is pronounced as A. Buenos días. Bue. A. So the letter E is pronounced as A. Buenos días means good morning. Continuing with I. I is pronounced as E. So the word gracias. Gracias. Proceeding with O. O is pronounced as O, so no major changes in there. Now, letter U. U is pronounced as U. So, H is actually silent in Spanish. So, even though we write the letter H, we do not pronounce it. So, for instance, we all know hola. So we do not pronounce H. The H is silent. Though we write the letter H, we do not pronounce it. And another difference with English is double L is pronounced as ya. So for example, the word lluvia is rain. It's not written with Y but with double L. So now I'm going to show you a few more examples with these letters for you to understand how to pronounce them further. So the next set of examples, the word H-O-R-A is pronounced as ora. The H remains silent. The alphabet A is pronounced as A, ora, which means hour in English. So, here we go with another example. Double L is pronounced as Y. So, the word lluvia means rain. U-V-A. So, this is a very common word which means how are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? The alphabet E is pronounced as A. Estás. Sí, por favor. Sí means yes. Por favor means please. Yes, please. And Another common word which you will need to learn is adios. Adios means bye, goodbye. So guys, my next set of examples with A, E, O, U are the following numbers. Number 1 is pronounced as uno. Uno. 2, dos. 3, tres. 4, cuatro. 5, cinco. So I hope that with the pronunciation with these letters, you will be able to read the numbers much better. All you need to remember is how you are supposed to pronounce the alphabets A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, U. A, E, O, U. So guys, another 2 very important words are siesta and cerveza. So if you're traveling to Spain, you must learn these 2. It is part of the Spanish culture, and I'm sure that if you're nearby traveling to Spain, you are going to love it. So please do let me know if you find this video useful, and if you do, then please like, share and subscribe, and let me know if you would like me to come up with part 2. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.